Hey guys, welcome back to the Renault Vivastella build. Are you ever going to finish this, Matthew? Hopefully so. Hopefully in this video this thing will be completed, and by way of the thumbnail you already know that it has been. So what am I doing? Well, first, just to start you off, I've done a little bit since the last update. I must put my glasses on or else I can't see what's in the camera view lens. Okay, first, before I get to this, I did get the engine. Let's see. Got the little plug wires on it. Got the spark plugs painted. Still got a little black washing I want to do to the carburetor and other things, but pretty cool. Got detail work on the hood panels. The black wash. I did some silver on the handles and black on the latches. I do have the headlights now mounted in the grill like it's supposed to be. The body is, I was trying to hand paint the interior panels. It don't look right. So I'm about to spray it, and since I'll be spraying, I'm also, and that'll be black in there, I'm also going to spray Model Masters leather on my seats. So here, there's another seat somewhere, isn't there? That goes on the back. Oh, it's right here. Oh, I also buffed on my fenders, but there's the seat right there on the back. So I'll take that off and paint that leather as well. But I got some decals. Went ahead and put the little decal. Come on. Anyway, you see it down there. You see it really far away. That's the only way I can get it focused right now. Got that decal. I got the tail lights and the license plate put in. There's another tail light. I just take if there's not like a lens, there's no red lenses for these taillights. So all I do, let me get this out so maybe I can get it to focus on it. I take a drop of testers, stoplight red actually, metallic, and I just drip it in there, and it goes in nice and thick and dries kind of like almost like a piece of glass. So let me get my airbrush set up and I'll spray these parts, and this should be black, this should be leather, that should be leather, and I will be right back. Stand by. Alright, so this is going to be my final update until I get this thing completed. So it's looking really nice. It's a fiddly little kit that all kits have their issues. That's all I gotta say. This one has its issues, but what I have left is, let me show you something that's interesting. So the rumble seat, which looks really nice, and I got the body all together back there really nice. It doesn't have any hinges. There are no hinges for the rumble seat. This thing just comes right out, right? But the way they designed this is when you open it, if I can keep this on it, it slides down like that. I'm like, I've looked through the instructions, I'm like, I can't find a darn hinge. And you see there's like some slots back there, you see it? That's what it is. It fits right on there. Really, really nice. I mean, it looks great. And then to open it, you just flip it, and it fits down and just goes down against the lower portion of the seat, and there's your rumble seat. So I thought it was pretty cool. But anyway, that won't get glued. It will get a handle, however, right there on it, a little hole. Wheels look great. I'm gonna do a little black washing on the hubcaps. Get those looking nice. One's a spare. It doesn't have 5 tires, it's only got 4, so it's got a spare. The grill is in, but it's not glued. It comes right out. The hood I have all together, and it looks really nice on. Didn't really have to do any trimming or anything, so it looks nice. The windshield. That is, let's see, is this it up here? So I've got a bare metal foil the windshield because it has that chrome. So I've got to chrome that. 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes on the chrome. Steering wheel. Where in the heck is the steering wheel? That's a good question. I don't know. I'll have to find the steering wheel for this thing. I don't know where it's at. But anyway, bumpers and such. But yeah, just little odds and ends. The engine is, the body is not permanently attached yet. Well, it feels like it, but it's not. It's not attached yet. I'll have to get it glued down. I was just test fitting everything, and it actually fits really nice. The engine looks nice. It's a cool little kit. I'll be honest with you, this, even though a kit gives, it has its problems, I just can't get enough of these older, not when it was made older, but the actual car date. I think it's cool. I can't live those dates, but I can build cars that you know, that go back, and it's gonna look nice. These wheels are really cool. Whoa. Yeah, they're really nice. I'm excited about the way they're going to look. And again, I was trying to go with that. Let's see if I can get one stuck on here. Trying to go with the color theme of the box art. There's the bottom, by the way, just nice and simple, black. I didn't do any detailing really except for the exhaust. So there is that, and the box art is here. And there's my car. So got the pretty little wheels, but yeah, need some. The hubcaps don't represent the box art properly. You see, they look like they really jolt out, and these hubcaps are more like inboard. It's okay though, no problem at all. I think I'm gonna do a little black washing inside the wheel on the hubcap. Still got to do some black washing on the intake manifold. Well, actually exhaust manifold right there. The camera would, there it is. Got to do a little black washing there. The carburetor needs a little color. But other than that, it's just little things. Just little things. So, when we return in just a second for you, days for me, because I only work on this thing just every now and again, this will be completed on the little turntable. We'll be checking it out, and I'm excited. So anyway, alrighty. Well, here, I can stick the hood. Well, I took the grill off already. There's the hood, which it doesn't fit right because the grill isn't on it. It's like a 32 Ford that's got a 6-cylinder in it. Nice. All right, guys, let me get with it, and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, here she is, all finished up. Renault, 124 scale Renault. I said Renault, and I've heard other people say Renault Vivastella PG7, and I've heard someone say that it's not really a PG7, but anyway, it's a Heller kit. First Heller kit I've ever built, and would I build another one? Sure, absolutely. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this kit. It's an old kit. It had the little multi-piece body was kind of, that was really the only hang-up, but I don't know, I never could get in a groove with this thing. I've been extremely busy over the last couple of months, it seems like, or however long I've been started on this thing. I've been really busy, and a lot of things going on at home, doing some remodel stuff at home, so it's like, it was hard to devote any stretch of time to this. I don't get the normal bench time like some people may, and that's just fine. Hopefully it will free up when I get all my business taken care of. But let's get back to this. What I think about a Heller. Yeah, it's pretty decent little kit. They have I would build another Heller. Yes, I would. I'd be interested in see how the new Hellers, do they even make Heller kits still? I don't even know. Maybe Heller's not even in business anymore. I don't know. I'm sure the comment section will let me know. The color, I was looking more for that color, but I got this color, and I'm happy with it. I think it turned out just peachy. Not real peachy, but to be quite honest with you, the camera color, at least by looking at the camera, is lighter than the actual color of the car. So you're getting a little more of a cream color, and I had a touch more yellow in the color, I feel like. But anyway, turned out really cool. The roof, just so you can see the interior, there's not detailed under where the roof goes. I think there is a boot for it, but I'm not going to do it without the boot. But it's just a simple interior, just simple. It doesn't have the steering wheel. Can you believe that? Where the heck is it? I forgot the steering wheel. It's over here. Well, let's put the roof back on this thing. I'll glue that on there. It's a cool little car. Great detail. Big, long 6-cylinder under the hood. Take a look at that. The hood is 2 pieces with the chrome piece in the center, so you have to be careful when you put that together to get them both lined up right so they'll actually fit right. And to be honest with you, it fits really nice. No fitment issues with getting the hood to fit with the grill and all that stuff. Remember, I did paint that grill, that chrome grill. I had portions of it that I did paint, so it's got the chrome lip around the black washed portion, and then it goes into a painted part to match the hood, just like the box art would be. So there you go. The little 6-cylinder engine, I ran plug wires best I could. The distributor set up real high. I actually brought it down some. It was sticking up so high. Wasn't 100% sure of what the engine color was, but I did find out they would have been green, I think, or blue. So I just went with a green something. I black washed it. The steel wheels are nice for a change, not having spokes, but steel wheels. This is a 1932 model. Just turned out real nice. The little, pop it up for you. The little rumble seat doesn't have hinges, so it pops right out. And I didn't know how that worked, but when you get it all together, it just drops. When you open it, it just drops in place. So it just looks like the rumble seat's open. So there you go. I did paint that red in those taillights. They're just black plastic. They didn't have anything, so I used my stoplight red metallic, and I just put a dollop in there, and it dries kind of almost like a lens. Did that. Black washed the grill. The underside of the car is just very plain. I didn't do any real detailing under there. It's going to sit on a shelf. This is not one I would take to a show at all. It turned out nice, but it didn't. I wouldn't consider it one of my most proud moments. But although it did turn out nice, the MCW paint laid down really nice and shiny. The MCW is the cream color. The Tamiya paint is the black on the fenders. I did a polishing on the black. The Tamiya paint didn't have just a natural shine to it like I wanted. It was probably my pressures or something, not being used to spraying lacquers, but I did buff that out. Turned out nice. Did some detailing on, sorry about the focus, on the running boards. Just took a silver Sharpie and just highlighted those. Chromed the windshield like the picture is here. The windshield, I did chrome that, the trim around it. All in all, it's a pretty cool little kit. Again, I would build another Heller. I think it was a nice experience to build something, number one, not American, but yet has that feel of 1932 Ford or something like that, you know, from at least from here back. From here forward, it's got the longer hood, longer front fenders, but just all in all, a nice looking car. Did a little dry brushing on the roof just to try to give it a little life, and I think I accomplished that. Black panel line accent in the panel lines, and yeah, just all in all, cool little car. Going to look good on the shelf. So what I'll do now, as always, take some pictures. Take some pictures of the car under some proper lighting, and let you guys see it up close and personal. But I want to thank you all for sticking with this build. It's taking way too long to complete one. Now I'm going to get started on the one that's directly behind me. It's my USAC GTX build. I've got to get some work done on that, and that'll be fun, and I'll get you all some videos on that. But thank you for watching this video of a first time build of a Heller kit. and a Renault kit. I will build another one if I can find it. I would like to try some other Heller kits, if possible. Anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Check out Hobby Nut Models, where this paint came from, the black and the tan color, and the glue, and just about everything that went into this kit came from Hobby Nut Models. Go check out Mark's inventory over at hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description below, as well as the Facebook group. Thank you to you all who participate in the Facebook group. There's a wealth of knowledge and just so much going on over there. I encourage you to go check out the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. It's also linked in the description, as well as the Spring Store and the Patreon group. If you're not a member of the Patreon group, I encourage you to. It's a lot of fun. We have try to have monthly live streams. The last one we had was 3 hours long. We talked models for 3 hours, about 6, 7, 8 of us at one time. It was a lot of fun, so I encourage you to go over there and check that out. All these things linked in the description below. And now it's time to see some pictures of this car. So you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.